Hello everybody. Now phonics yesterday was quite a long session, so today we're just going to only do three main things. The first thing we're going to do is recap our sounds from groups 1 and 2. This second thing we're going to do is look at 3 tall letters to practice, and the last thing we're going to do, number 3, is going to be 3 words using our flashcards. So all you need today are your flashcards or your tiles, and a whiteboard and a pen, maybe like your calendar, and so that you can write on the back. And that's all you need. And it's only 3 jobs, and everything has 3 things inside. So let's get cracking. Let's whiz back through our sounds of groups 1 and 2. So these are the ones we're going to be doing. And over to you. Say them as quickly as you can. Let's go. Whoa, well, I didn't help you at all there. I wonder how many of them you got. This time we're just going to whiz through them as quickly as we can. Let me find the start again. And I will just show you the gestures to help you out. Looks like my computer's frozen. Come on, computer. Okay, let's go. Wow, how did you do that time without my help? Let's whiz through one more time, and this time I will say it with you. Here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Eh. Eh. D. Ah. Woohoo! Well done. That was 3 times whizzing through the flashcards. The first time you did it on your own. The second time you did it just with a bit of help with gestures. And the third time I helped you with the sounds as well. Well done. All right. Now today we need to practice a few sounds, and they're all tall letters. So go and get your book with lines, or go and get your whiteboard with your pen so that we can practice. You're going to write the sound at the start, and then we're going to try and do 5 the same of each one. Okay, so the first sound we're going to practice on your line is T. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start at the top. Remember, it's a tall letter. Come all the way down with a tail and across. So get a nice one like that on your paper now. Start up tall, come down with the tail and across. All right, let's do another one together. This is number 2. Let's go. Make yours just like me, nice and tall. Let's do number 3 together. Here we go. Start at the top, little tail, and across. Awesome. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video, please, and make 2 more T letters on your page. Super. Let's try. This is also a tall letter, so we must start at the top. Remember, it looks a little bit like a but you come back up as just halfway. Here we go. Start at the top, down, back up a little bit, and then over the hill. Do one just like me on your next line. Fantastic. Let's do number 2. Off we go. Start at the top, nice and tall. Back up just a little bit to go over the hill. Don't forget the little tail here. Make yours just like mine, please. Okay, let's go for number 3. Start at the top, down, back up a little bit, over the hill. Lovely. One like that, please. Okay, now it is time for you to pause the video and do 2 more letters, please. All right, now, as you know, this is a K letter, but that's when we read it. When we write it, I would like us to all do it the same. We all need to do our kicking K. We're going to come down, back up, just a little bit, for the loop and a kick. So try one like me. Oh, I'm still on the magic pen, so I think it's going to disappear. Oh, yes, it's gone. Okay, let's try another one together then. So it's a tall letter, start at the top, down, back up a little bit for the loop and a kick. You try number 2. If I'm going too quickly, it's okay. You can always pause. Let's do number 3. Start at the top, a little loop, and a kick. There's number 3. I'm going to draw number 4 for you, and then you can pause to do your 4th one and your 5th one. Okay, pause to write 2 more times. Awesome, so you should have got your letters on the lines. You should have had T 5 times, 5 times, and 5 times. Super stuff. Well done, everyone. All right, now it's time then for our flashcards. All you need is your flashcards, your pencil, and your paper, or the things that we've already just been using. So we're going to write only 3 words today. We're going to write hip, kit, and tin, because hip starts with H, kit starts with K, and tin starts with T. And those are our 3 tall letters that we're doing today. So what I'd like you to do is find your flashcards. Find your flashcard that says I. Find your flashcard that says P. And find your flashcard that says H. Now your job is to sound out hip and put your flashcards in the right order. Let's do this one together. H, I. Go and get your flashcards for those 3 sounds and then press play again when you're ready to go. So pause me now. You should have your letters I, P and H, but we need to put them in order of hip. H, I. So first, H, I, P. Brilliant. H, I, P, hip. Once I've got them in the right place, the right order, I can use my line and I can practice writing H, I, P. Hooray! I've written hip. Pause the video here so that you can also write hip. Now for the next two, I'm not going to show you the answers. You need to get the right flashcards, put them in the right order, and then carefully write your word on the line. So first thing you've got to do is find these flashcards. Once you've found your flashcards, sound out the word and put kit in the right order. Put kit in the right order. When you finish putting kit in the right order, you can write the word on the line. I'll do one bit of helping. Kit starts with k, and it's our tall one. So finish kit, and you can send me that one on Class Dojo. Last one is tin. Find these flashcards. T, n, and I, but unscramble them, put them in the right order so that it says t, I, n, and then write your word on your paper. Well done everyone, I said there was only 3 things today and we've finished. Well done, and I can't wait to see what you've written on Class Dojo.